Incremental greetings. Today I want to share with you how you can actually use the image occlusion editor add-on with SuperMemo and how you can first know what key bindings, what key shortcuts there are and how you can modify them. First, if you want to, because you know something more, you want to customize to suit your case, or it is already existing on your AutoHotkey scripts and you want to change it to whatever else you want. So how you can actually know that? So first, let me put in the other side so you will know you're running AutoHotkey script. So just go to the tray area, double click on it, nice. And you get this window. So you can go View and Hotkeys under Methods or Control H. And that's about it. Now you know all the key bindings you have. The sharp is for the Windows key, the caret is for the Control key, and the exclamation point is for the Alt key. Nice. You notice almost everything is window control. So now click on Edit the script. So here, kind of the bottom of the file already is when you have the key bindings. You don't need to worry about the specifics. What you need to change is this. So what I would do is I will change this. That's the Windows key. I don't want to use it. And oh, that's Control O. That's already exists. So I will change that to F1. So I lose the semantic connection because O is for occlusion, E is for edit, and so on. So it's not that easy to remember, but I already have this key binding. Nice. So I just saved, File, Save, or Control S. Nice. And the effect is immediate. So now I Control F1. Oh, sorry, let me go to the parent. Control F1. Well, not that quick. You need one extra step. And that is right click and reload the script. So now I can use my key binding, which in my case, it's now Control F1. Nice. Then let me close the retina. Bada boom. And so you can see the menu. Control S again. Save and exit. Nice. So let's test it. If that worked, let me check. What we'll do now is simulate the learning process with Shift Alt L. Uh-oh, something is missing here. Well, look at the template. It says no template, so let me apply the template. Nice. Control Shift Alt L. Now it works. And here I can put human eye anatomy and perhaps my own convention. So I could use this as, oh, that is one image occlusion item, so I can search for that later on in my collection.